Well, good morning. It is Thursday, January 17th, and it's the first day of Pima Community College spring semester of 2019. And I just want to welcome you to your online writing class. My name is Kimberly Martinson, and I'll be your instructor. My purpose in this video is to orient you to the expectations of the course in part, but mostly just how to use the online software and how to feel comfortable in this environment. So if you look, by now this announcement, this video will be posted before this welcome announcement. But a really good place to keep track of what's going on in the course is the class activities checklist. So I've linked that there. Let me show you also how to find that, because as with most online environments, there's always more than one way to do it. Across the top of the screen here, we've got content, assessments, course resources, and help. The ones that you'll be using the most probably are content and assessments. So content is everything. And so one way or another, if you follow the links, you'll be able to find everything that you need. I've suggested that you read the all of the files in README First and syllabus materials, which as you can see are something like 28 files. Those are 28 clicks. Many of them are just like one screen at a time, and will not take you very long, but will orient you to the course overall. Under syllabus materials, you'll see the course schedule. This is a place where you can see everything that's due in the semester at one time. This is the most printable version of the syllabus. You could also print the one that I emailed to you. As you see, due tomorrow is signing off on a surveys link, which you'll see when you click through the content, and you have an introductory discussion that's due tomorrow. So very simple for the weekend. I did make an assignment due on Monday, not really thinking about the fact that it was a holiday. You can always complete your assignments anytime asynchronously. That means means on your own time, as long as they're completed by the due date. So you can always complete and submit an assignment ahead of time. I have tried to assign things so that everything's due Monday through Friday. I think once or twice we may end up having something due on a Saturday or Sunday, just to cram things in and work around some leapfrogging assignment due dates. Anyway, but Monday through Friday, expect that there will be something here each day to do. Now, I don't want that to stress you out. Some of the due dates are one assignment stretched out over 2 days. So, for example, we've got next week, you've got your literacy autobiography. AF means assignments folder. Then you've got your an extra credit assignment that's optional. You've got your readings due. And the first post to CD2. CD means class discussion. You're going to post and then reply. Your replies are due by the next day. You can get those done early if someone else has already posted and you can already reply to them. But it just means that by midnight on the 23rd, which is Wednesday, you'll have your replies finished. Your readings then will be due Thursday, along with your post to the third discussion. And then by Friday, you'll have replies to that first discussion. You'll complete your first quiz. I'm just making sure that I got all these lined up. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Okay, so actually Thursday, your replies and your quiz, and then your readings are due on Friday. But I mean, I'm not holding you accountable in any way for doing those readings, except that there will be a quiz and you will need to take action based on what you read. But if you end up reading those on Saturday, it doesn't really make any difference. I do need to track attendance, and so I will be checking to see that you've completed at least one significant activity per week as I count you present, and that can affect your scholarship. So please keep track of that. The only other thing I want to show you just right now is your class activities checklist, which is under the content area. And that is right down here, class activities checklist. That helps you see what's due now. And you don't necessarily need to have the view of everything that's due the whole semester. All right, so as you go, you can check off these activities. So here are some readings that you need to do. Here is the course guidelines sign-off survey that you need to complete. And this takes you into Module 1 and your readings. Notice that some of the due dates are a little out of order here. The readings are actually due on the 22nd, and your introductory post is due on the 18th. So either way that these get completed is fine. I think that they're put in there that way so that you can get a better idea of what is in each module. But going forward, most of the items are listed in the same order that they are listed in the course schedule. So that's that. I lied. There's one more thing I want to show you under assessments. If you go to assignments, that's where you'll find your assignments folder to submit things like your literacy autobiography, and under discussions, that's where you can find a quick link to the discussions, such as discussion 1, which is your introduction. And I should also show you how to create an introductory post. All right, so here's what you do. You're going to click on the link after you read the instructions, which do pop up later after you've opened it as well. You're going to click Start a New Thread. And the assignment for this first introductory post is to choose a song that you think best describes where you're at in your life, what's going on, and whatever else you want to tell us about yourself. So I look forward to reading those. I normally will not post quite such a long video. I'll try to keep them under 5 minutes, but I wanted to give you a stronger idea, and I'll intend to post about 1 video per week going forward for the 8 weeks. You can always email me. You can use the course email feature. It goes straight to my email, or you can just email me through your email. All right? I think that's enough for now. I look forward to reading your posts soon. Have a good day.